Good evening. Let's begin with today's analysis. Now, as you can see, the weekly candle has closed. So let's analyze this today's session, including the weekly and the daily candlesticks. Right. So as you can see on the weekly chart, we have bearish engulfing right at the top, which indicates we can expect some pullbacks here. Okay. How much pullback? That we will check now. So if you were to check the weekly, we can see that 38% is at 721. Alright, so just keep that number in mind. Now we'll also check what Heiken Ashi says. Heiken Ashi says indecision candle. Now that also is a good indication that we can look at a slight pullback. Slight, we won't know, but pullback for sure. Chances are it would be a shorter one, but if you look at this, the daily chart also closed just at the low of yesterday's candle. So it has not yet broken the range, but you can expect the market to do a pullback first before it continues the move. And depending on how the pullback happens, we can understand what move we can expect. So my first level of support that I'm expecting the market touch would be 726. If that is breached, then 610. And then 61.8, which is 494. So we'll have to see. Ideally, this is the level because this is where the market had broken out from. So it is retesting the same level. So a spike till 726 would be what I'm expecting in the market next week. All right, and going to Bank Nifty, similar scenario. What you see on Nifty, we can see weekly chart has done an engulfing. Daily chart is broken below the lows of the last 3 times when the market has tested this price. It has broken below this. So we are looking at further downside. Heiken Ashi is bearish on daily, also indecision on weekly. So in terms of the level of retracement, let's use our candlesticks and our Fibonacci. So we are already at 38.2%. This is also the previous resistance, which has now become support. So if the price does spike, you can expect 30,176, or there is a possibility we could see market going sideways at the same level because this support is a strong support. There was a double top here before this was broken with this gap. So not expecting too much of a downside on Bank Nifty, but not expecting bullish movement either. Price might consolidate in the same range before we see further upside. So if you do see a entry at 30,150, that would be a good price to hold on to a buy. Sensex also looking a little like in the mood of correction. So 38.2% is at 39,020. This is the next level that you can expect. Although we are at a good support, but if the market does spike, we can expect to enter at 39,020. BEL on the other side is continuing to move upside. You can see the market moving up. Then we have a downward channel, which is basically a flag pattern. So I'm expecting the market to shoot up soon. Those who are holding onto a buy can continue to hold. There are no signs of bearish movement. Market looks good. So still strong. You can see Heiken Ashi also. Although the size of the candle has reduced, which means the momentum has reduced, but there are no signs of reversal yet. So still continuing to hold. Axisbank, you can see that we had this level been tested multiple times. The high of 822 was tested first, made a high, second time it got tested, third time it got tested, and now it got rejected. So we are having a consolidation forming here, but we could be expecting a pullback in Axisbank now in the coming week. We are at 23.6. The market broke out from this level of 778. So anything between 771 to 785 could be a good price to enter for a long setup on Axisbank. That's it for now. Any other stocks that you want me to analyze, please share in the comment section, and we will see each other on Monday. Thank you.